Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
I fully understand these are gimmicks played by the Home Department, Police Department, because elections are around the corner. But as I've said, I am a fighter. I'll fight it out and truth shall prevail.
2018 काँग्रेसीत असताना प्रतिमा पीडित चलयेचे घरा गेल्ले. चलयेच्या आवय बरोबरचे फोटो सोशल मीडियार घाल्ले. ते खंय चलयेक न्याय मेळोवन दिवंक गेल्ले.
Are in the court. They have submitted the parents. I had only gone to fight for justice, to give justice to the minor girl. But then, elections are around the corner, and I know I can understand that that suppression will be there to suppress my voice. But this is Pratima, as I've always told. I've always taken up fighting for the people. सदांच लोकांक लागून झगडलो, लोकांक लागून झगडटले.
कोर्टा मुखार हजेरे नॉन बेलेबल वॉरंटांतल्यान प्रतिमा सुटले खरे. मात चिल्ड्रन्स कोर्टाची केस तडीक लाग मेरेन मानेवेली तलवार हालपाची ना. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट स्वप्नील तारी.